Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Laryngoscope or Macintosh. Laryngoscope can be of two types. One Macintosh laryngoscope, second Miller's laryngoscope. Macintosh laryngoscope is most commonly used. It has a curved blade. The sizes are 3 and 4. Macintosh laryngoscope in that the smallest blade is used in children and largest blade is used in adults with longer neck. Then we have Miller's laryngoscope. Miller's laryngoscope has a straight or curved tip. Uses of laryngoscope blade. In laryngoscope blade in premature infants and toddlers, first premature infants, neonates, infants and toddlers, Miller's laryngoscope is used. In young children between the age group of 2.5 to 14 years, Macintosh and Miller's laryngoscope blade is used. Miller's is more commonly used than Macintosh even in younger children. In adults, Macintosh uh, laryngoscope is used. Miller's laryngoscope is only used for short neck individuals. So in summary, we can say for pediatrics, Miller's laryngoscope is used and for adults, Macintosh laryngoscope is used. So laryngoscopes are of two types. We have Macintosh laryngoscope and Miller's laryngoscope. Macintosh laryngoscope has a curved blade with sizes 3 by 4 and the smallest size is used in children, whereas the largest size blade is used in adults. Whereas in Miller's laryngoscope, it is a straight blade laryngoscope with a curved tip. So in children, especially in premature infants, neonates and toddlers, we use Miller's laryngoscope. Whereas in young children between the age group of 2.5 to 14 years, we can use both Miller's and Macintosh laryngoscope. But Miller's laryngoscope is more commonly used when compared to Macintosh laryngoscope. Whereas in adults, Macintosh laryngoscope is mainly used, whereas Miller's can be used, but it is only reserved for those patients who have shorter neck. We use Miller's laryngoscope. So overall, we can say that pediatric age group, Miller's laryngoscope is most commonly used, whereas in adults, Macintosh laryngoscope is used.
thank you and thank you for watching.